transitioning from accounting and audit roles to FP&A represents a significant career shift that can unlock plenty of opportunities. While accounting and audit are fundamental to the financial health and compliance of any organization, FP&A offers a broader perspective, focusing on the future financial direction of the company. Motivations for moving into FP&A. In my opinion, FP&A opens many opportunities within finance and accounting. For young professionals starting out, I always recommend FP&A because you'll gain a deep understanding of the business, which covers roles like project management, data analysis, and management control. In addition to basic daily accounting operations, in FP&A, you'll soon realize what you specifically want to do in the future. For me, it was about setting up processes and standards, ensuring accurate numbers for decision-making, which steered me towards a financial controller role. June Nicole. Embarking on the journey from audit and accounting to FP&A is undeniably challenging. There will be moments of doubt, steep learning curves, and instances where the path ahead seems obscured. In these times, it's important to anchor yourself to your core motivations for making this transition. Whether it's the appeal of playing a strategic role in shaping the future of your company, the personal and professional growth that comes from mastering a broader skill set, the fulfillment derived from impacting business outcomes, motivations for moving to FP&A directly, the collaborative nature of working across functions, or the dynamism of the FFP in a role, remembering what drew you to this path can provide the strength to persevere. So, when the journey feels particularly challenging, ask yourself, which of these motivations resonates most with you? Identifying your primary motivator can rekindle your passion and drive, guiding you through the hurdles to achieve your career aspirations in FP&A. Let's explore the typical motivations behind this career shift and why many choose to navigate from the structured world of audit and accounting to the dynamic field of FP&A. 1. Seeking a strategic role. Audit and accounting play a vital role in ensuring financial accuracy and regulatory compliance, providing a solid foundation for any business's financial health. Professionals in these fields excel in detail-oriented tasks that require a deep understanding of financial standards and principles. However, for many, the desire to influence future outcomes and participate in proactive decision-making sparks an interest in FP&A. One of the most significant benefits of moving into FP&A is the opportunity to directly impact business strategy. FP&A plays a key role in steering the company towards its goals by providing insights that inform business decisions. They work closely with senior management, offering analyses and financial models that predict future financial performance and highlight potential risks and opportunities. This involvement allows FP&A professionals to see the direct results of their work as they participate in planning and decision-making processes that shape the company's future. FP&A offers a platform to apply financial expertise in a manner that directly influences corporate strategy and future growth. This provides a compelling reason for professionals to transition, as it allows them to not only report on what has happened, but also shape what could happen. 2. Broadening skill sets. Transitioning between different roles in finance, such as from audit to FP&A or from FP&A to M&A, is about leveraging transferable skills. My own journey from investment banking to an MBA in the USA was driven by a desire to gain a global perspective and develop leadership skills by interacting with a diverse group of students. This educational experience broadened my career opportunities both within and outside of finance. Akshay Podcast. Accounting and audit roles are essential for maintaining financial integrity by focusing on historical data to ensure accuracy and compliance with financial regulations. Professionals in these areas are experts in reporting, compliance, auditing, and ensuring that financial statements accurately reflect past business activities. While these functions are crucial, they often limit professionals to a reactive position, dealing with the aftermath of financial decisions rather than participating in the decision-making process. FP&A, on the other hand, is forward-looking. It involves budgeting, forecasting, and analyzing financial data to guide business decisions. Transitioning to FP&A allows professionals to use their financial acumen to influence the future direction of the business, moving from recording and reporting financial history to shaping financial futures. The move to FP&A demands and fosters a broader skill set. At the same time, the foundation of strong financial knowledge is vital. FPGA roles require additional competencies such as advanced analytical skills, business acumen, and the ability to synthesize and communicate complex information to influence decisions. Professionals motivated by personal growth see FPGA as an opportunity to enhance their abilities beyond the technicalities of accounting and audit. They are drawn to the challenge of developing new skills such as financial modeling, strategic analysis, and data-driven storytelling, which are critical in a role that supports business leaders in making informed decisions. Motivations for moving to FP&A. 3. Impacting business outcomes. Career growth in FP&A is primarily analytical and typically doesn't revert back to compliance roles like preparing financial statements. People in FP&A might start as analysts and can evolve into roles that involve more business finance responsibilities. For instance, they could help set up a new business unit from scratch, dealing with elements like pricing and management reports. Over time, one can expect to handle a variety of commercial tasks and potentially rise to a CFO position, where you transition from an individual contributor to a leadership role, continually learning and training others. Dawal Parvatikar. Audit and accounting roles ensure an organization's financial health and compliance, supporting the strategic direction through meticulous oversight and control. In contrast, FP&A professionals are front and center in driving business performance and outcomes. They analyze trends, forecast future performance, and provide insights that guide budgeting, investments, and other business decisions. This potential to impact business outcomes directly is a significant draw for those looking to make a tangible difference within their organization. The ability to see the results of one's work reflected in the company's strategic direction and financial success is highly rewarding. 4. Seeking cross-functional collaboration. FP&A professionals work at the intersection of finance and operations, collaborating with various departments to gather information and provide financial insights. This cross-functional interaction is different from the siloed nature of traditional accounting and audit roles. FP&A offers professionals a comprehensive view of the organization. Through regular interaction with different business units, FP&A professionals develop a deeper understanding of the company's operations, priorities, and challenges. From accounting to FP&A. This holistic perspective is crucial for effective financial planning and analysis, as it enables FPGA to provide more relevant and impactful advice. Professionals motivated by the desire for a more integrated role within the company find FPWA appealing for the opportunity it provides to understand and contribute to the business holistically. This cross-functional collaboration enriches their understanding of the business, enhances their ability to provide meaningful insights, and positions them as business partners across the organization. 5. Desire for a dynamic work environment. It's important to recognize that career progression in FP&A isn't always a linear path. You might start in one role, and as you discover what you enjoy, you can pivot to different areas within finance and accounting. Just like several of my teammates who have moved into roles like project management and business operations. Asif Masani. Audit and accounting are integral to any business, offering stability and reliability through established cycles of reporting and compliance activities. For some, the appeal of FP&A lies in its dynamic nature. FPGA role thrives on professionals requiring adapting quickly to new information, market trends, and business needs. The fast-paced environment, coupled with the challenge of forecasting and planning in uncertain conditions, attracts those looking for a career that keeps them on their toes. The satisfaction of contributing to business decisions in real time is a powerful motivator. The transition from audit and accounting to FP&A can be fueled by a diverse range of motivations, from the desire to play a more strategic role and impact business outcomes to the pursuit of personal growth through skill development and cross-functional collaboration. the move is attractive for many reasons. Additionally, FP&A offers a refreshing change for those seeking to escape the predictability of traditional finance roles. As the business world continues to evolve, the role of FPGA becomes increasingly critical, offering a rewarding career path for those looking to make a significant impact within their organizations. Growth opportunities in the FP&A field. FPGA stands at the convergence of finance, strategy, and decision-making, offering a dynamic and influential career path for professionals in the finance sector. With businesses increasingly prioritizing financial planning to navigate the complexities of global markets, the demand for skilled FPGA professionals has surged. Let's look at some of the potential growth opportunities in FP&A. Traditionally viewed as budget managers and number crunchers, FP&A professionals today are recognized as partners in the business. They are involved in shaping the company's future through insightful analysis, forecasting, and planning. This has opened up new dimensions of growth and development. 1. Strategic influence and leadership. One of the most compelling growth opportunities in FPGA is the potential for strategic influence. FPGA work closely with senior management, providing the insights necessary to inform business decisions and guide the company's direction. This close collaboration with decision-makers not only elevates the role of FP&A within the company, but also positions FPGA professionals as candidates for leadership roles. As they gain experience, they can climb to positions like Chief Financial Officer (CFO), where they can shape the company's financial and operational strategy at the highest level. 2. Specialization and niche expertise. FPGA offers diverse pathways for specialization. This allows professionals to deepen their expertise in specific industries, functions, or types of analysis. For instance, one might specialize in financial modeling or data storytelling, or sector-specific financial analysis such as technology, healthcare, or manufacturing. Developing niche expertise not only enhances an individual's value to their current organization, but also increases their marketability, opening doors to specialized roles across industries. 3. Network building. FP&A's inherently collaborative nature offers unique opportunities for professionals to build extensive internal networks. By working closely with various departments, such as sales, marketing, operations, and HR, FP&A professionals gain a comprehensive understanding of the business. This broad exposure not only enriches their analytical skills, but also positions them as connectors within the company, fostering relationships that can drive their careers forward through diverse opportunities and internal mobility. 4. Global opportunities and mobility. As businesses expand globally, the demand for FPGA professionals who can navigate international finance complexities grows. This globalization offers FPGA professionals opportunities to work in different markets, understand diverse business environments, and tackle unique financial challenges. The ability to work across borders enhances their global financial acumen, making them valuable assets to multinational corporations and opening international career pathways. 5. Continuous learning and professional development. Driven by technological advancements, regulatory changes, and market fluctuations, requires FPGA professionals to be lifelong learners. These educational pursuits not only broaden their skill set, but also enhance their career advancement prospects. 6. Technology and innovation. With data analytics, artificial intelligence (AI), and machine learning playing increasingly critical roles, FP&A professionals with a knack for technology can lead initiatives to implement and leverage new financial tools and platforms, driving efficiency and insights. This intersection of finance and technology offers a fertile ground for innovation, allowing FP&A professionals to pioneer new analytical methodologies and decision-making frameworks. A career in FPGA is ripe with opportunities for growth, development, and influence, whether through leadership roles, specialization, cross-functional collaboration, global mobility, continuous learning, or technological innovation. FPGA professionals have numerous paths to elevate their CIR careers. For those looking to make a meaningful impact within their organizations and beyond, FP&A offers a challenging yet rewarding career trajectory. marked by constant evolution and the potential to shape the future of business. Navigating the transition. Making the transition from accounting and audit to FP&A can be challenging, but it is also rewarding. It requires a willingness to move beyond the comfort zone of established procedures and standards, embracing a more dynamic and uncertain world where financial data is used to predict and shape the future. It offers the chance to move from a primarily retrospective focus to a role that actively shapes the future trajectory of an organization. By embracing this shift, professionals can broaden their impact, enhance their skills, and play a pivotal role in driving their company's business decisions. As the businesses continue to evolve, the demand for skilled FP&A professionals is set to rise, making this transition not just valuable but essential for those looking to advance their careers in finance. Understanding the motivations is just the beginning. Next, in Chapter 3, we'll uncover the 12 essential mindset shifts required to excel in FP&A.